Hi guys, welcome back to our class on Introduction to Differential Calculus. And in this video, we are looking at the product rule, right? So for product rule, it's very simple. The idea behind product rule is that y is equal to the product of two variables, u and v, right? If y is the product of u and v, that is y is equal to u times v, then dy over dx, if we differentiate this, we're going to have u dv over dx plus v du over dx. What does this mean? It means we are going to have u, the value of u, and then differentiate, this is the u, and then we differentiate the value of v with respect to s, plus we have the value of v, and then we differentiate u with respect to s. That's all about the product rule, right? So when I give you questions that relates with product rule, is that we have y equal to u times v. If we have y is equal to u times v, then dy over ds, differentiating this y with respect to s, will be u, that's u, then differentiate v, that's v, plus v, this v, plus v differentiates u. And in this video, we're going to be looking at some questions that relate with product rule. Stay tuned. Let's look at question 1 on the board as regard to product rule in differential calculus. Right, the question says, if y is equal to 4x squared minus 6 times 2x cubed plus 5x, find dy dx. Very simple, right? First of all, we're going to acknowledge that this one, taking this guy as our u and taking this guy as our v. And remember, we said that in differential calculus, if y is equal to the product of u and v, our dy over dx is going to be what? U dv over dx plus v du over dx, right? So this is the formula for product rule, right? The steps of solving questions as regard to product rule. So what we're just going to be doing is to substitute the values. Now here's how it works. For that, we're going to have our dy over dx as the value for u first, right? This is u first, so we're fixing this u first. So our u there is what? 4x squared minus 6. This is u, right? And then we have dv. What's the value for v? The value for v is 2x cubed plus 5x. Right, that's the first one, all over dx. Right, it means I'm just going to clean up this board. Right, so I'm just going to take this line off so we can have a straight equation. That's the first value, right? So we have u dv over ds. This is the u and this is the v dv, and this is the value for v, right? U dv over dx. So this is our value for u and this is our value for v for the first one, u dv over dx. That's what we just did. We only substituted the values for the formula. Now we have plus, which is the plus here. We're now fixing v, and this is v, which is what? 2x cubed plus 5x v du. So put our d and then fix the value of u. U there is what? 4x squared minus 6. See now, we fix the u dv plus v du over dx here. Right, that's what we do. So how do we solve this further? It's very, very simple. We leave this value here just like this. We don't touch the value of u, so that our dy over dx becomes the value of u still as 4x squared minus 6. We are not differentiating this guy, so it remains like this. What we are d here means to differentiate. So we are differentiating everything inside here. We differentiate everything inside here with respect to s. And if we differentiate 2x raised to power 3, what are we going to get? Differentiating 2x raised to power 3, it means 3 will multiply 2 to give us 6x squared. Right? I've taught how to differentiate as single numbers in our previous videos. I'm going to be leaving the link of that video on the description box below. Right? So if we differentiate this guy, we have 6x squared, and if we differentiate this one, 5x, we're going to have just a constant number 5. So we're done with the first one. So this is the first one. I use a square bracket for the first one. Right? Now plus, we leave this value, we are not differentiating this value, so the v value just remains the same. So if I use a square bracket, the v value remains 2x cubed plus 5x. We don't touch the value. Right? Now we are differentiating this value with respect to x. So I'm going to open a new one. If we differentiate this guy, we're going to have 8x, right? And if we differentiate a constant number is 0, so we have minus 0. So you see that for a minus 0, it's nothing here. Minus 0 is still the same thing as 0, so we don't have any value here. I'm just going to replace this as nothing there, right? So it's just simple. You might choose to leave your answer like this. You might choose to simplify further. All making sense? So for this, just to end the long talk, we can just leave our answers like this and say the final answer for dy over dx is equal to this value, which is 4x raised to power 2 minus 6 times this value, 6x raised to power 2 plus 5, then plus, that is the first value, then plus, we put a square bracket here as well, plus that value. Let's put in the 8x first. Alright, so we have 8x times everything here, which is 2x cubed plus what? Plus 5x. It's very simple, right? Very simple. So first of all, this is our value. Applying the formula by substitution, right? By substitution, substitute. We substitute, right? When we substitute the right value for the formula given, we are going to arrive at this answer. So we're going to be taking 6 more questions on product rule to aid or to gain our understanding of how product rule question works. I'll see you in this video, guys.